The guy who runs this account, his name is Eli Berry. He is a criminal from Nebraska who organized for Tulsi Gabbard. And I don't know who hired him, but he seemed to be very, very interested in Fiorella Isabella and Pasta Jardula. Um, and this is what he did tonight. By the way, I did actually call the sheriff. You know, our sheriff is actually Don Barnes, right? They don't care. They don't care if my, as a handicapped person, I'm threatened on my way to my car. They don't care. But you know, I'm fairly certain that Unite Here, Local 11, ADA, everybody involved has seen these types of hit campaigns before, so not going to worry about this. But I'm sure Mayor Ackley, Tiffany knows me pretty well, can tell me that I did not try and sick ice on anybody. Oh my God, even. Wow, dude. These are blatant lies. These are blatant lies. Oh my God, even. Okay, so, you know, all right, let's talk about the timing here. So a week ago, I had a hostile takeover of an organizing effort that I was working on by somebody who happened to be connected to the Veterans Caucus, who is tight with people who organize for Tulsi, and tight with people who are tight with people who organize for Tulsi. On Friday night, my karaoke videos started getting flagged for copyright issues, and then I got this attack today. Wow. Oh my God, even. Like, this is such ridiculousness. Um, wow. This goes on forever. This dude just kept, like, he literally set up this account just for the purpose of smearing me. He set up the account for the 53 fucking tweets about me? Fuck's sake, dude. That's totally harassment. I can't even. Oh my God. Wow.